How to convert RAR files to APK on Android. What is up guys? In this video I'm going to show you guys how to easily convert RAR files to APK on your Android device. For that, you will need to download this application from your Google Play Store, which is called RAR, and it's from RAR Labs. So once you install this application, you will just have to open it. And once you open your application, you will have to give access to all of your files from here. So once you've given access to your files, all you have to do is find your RAR files that you want to convert. And once you do that, all you have to do is select it. And then on the top of the screen, you will see this up arrow key. Tap on this icon, and here on the destination path you can keep it same, or if you want to change it, you can browse through your downloads. And once you change your destination file, just make sure to select the second option that says overwrite without prompt, and once you do that, just click on OK, and your file should be converted to APK. So that is all for this video. If you found it helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe. I will see you guys next time.